5 things to know ahead of today's opening bell. Shares of Robinhood, AppLovin, and MCore Group all rising this morning. S&P Global saying the companies will join the S&P 500 prior to the start of trading on September 22nd. So big congratulations to those three firms. Getting added into the index is a very, very big deal. Meantime,
it's hilarious. I own the S&P 500.
Right.
That's all we can own. That
Yes.
and Comcast shares. So I now own AppLovin.
There you go.
I actually chuckled when I saw that last night.
Chip-making equipment giant ASML will reportedly become the top shareholder of French AI startup Mistral. Reuters saying that ASML will commit $1.3 billion for Mistral's roughly $2 billion fundraise and take a board seat. Meantime, OpenAI has raised its projected cash burn. You ready for this? $115 billion through 2029. That's according to a new report in The Information. It did not cite sources. The new forecast is $80 billion higher than the company had previously expected, and some investors who just got in at the new fundraising round, I think, may have been a bit surprised by that. And Warner Brothers' horror sequel, The Conjuring Last Rites, topping the weekend box office. It brought in $83 million in domestic box office sales in its first weekend, topping expectations. It added $104 million in ticket sales overseas, making it the highest grossing opening weekend for any of the 9 films in the Conjuring series, even after adjusting for inflation. And there were 2 winners in this past weekend's $1.8 billion Powerball jackpot. It's not either Becky or myself. The tickets were sold in Texas and Missouri. This was the second largest Powerball jackpot ever, so they can split the money. I think if it's 1.8, you could take home in a lump sum if you were collecting the whole thing. I thought it was like something like $600 million or something like that. So now I assume if it's 2, you're in the sort of $300 or $400 million dollars. And then you have the taxes. You're down to $200 million.
Taxes would be even more, I would think. You'd pay at least half in taxes.
Right. Well, that was saying on the 400, if you had 400, if you were paid $300 or $400 million, now you're down to, yes. So
just $100 million.
Just a tiny little violin.
Well,
folks.
you know, it wasn't me.
Tiny.
I'm here today.
Yeah.